Question number 13. A point source of emits sound waves of amplitude A. A point source emits sound waves of amplitude A. The sound intensity at a distance d from the source is I. At a distance d from the source is I. Okay. What is the sound intensity at a distance 0.5 d from the source? When the source emits, okay, I have taken a different source now. Okay. This is an amplitude A, you get the intensity I. Let us write down the intensity I here, which would be I is equal to A square divided by 4 pi d square. This is the intensity formula for this. Now, when the amplitude is A by 2, that's what is given, right? So, sorry, not A by 2, 2A. When the amplitude is 2A and the distance is 0.5 d, half of the distance, 0.5 d, then what is the intensity here? Let us write down the new intensity. I dash should be equal to, this is 2A, right? Which should be 4A square, I made a mistake, 4A square divided by 0.5 d square, 4 pi into 0.5 d the whole square. When I do this, what do I get? I get the answer as, this should be 4A square divided by 4 pi into 0.25 d square. I'll take the 0.25 outwards, which should now be 4A square multiplied by 4 divided by 4 pi d square. What I have done is, I've just taken the value of the reciprocal of 1.25, okay, of the upwards. So I get the answer as 0.1 by 0.25 is 4. So I get 4A square into 4, which would be 16A square divided by 4 pi d square. Now A square by 4 pi d square is I, right? So what I will do is, I can now write this as equal to 16 times I. So the answer should be 16 times I. Answer is E.